Lawyers are protesting outside the Bar Council of India against their own apex body. Let me tell you everything. On 13th of August at the Nalsa University of Law at Hyderabad, some of the students protested. Some students opposed inviting Chief Justice of India Suryakant to their convocation. It was a peaceful campaign. Now, in response, what the Bar Council of India did? Direct state bar councils across India not to enroll the entire 2026 graduating batch as advocates. Each and every student punished for opposition. But the Supreme Court intervened. CJI Suryakant himself called the BCI order absurd and unwanted. He said the students have the right to protest and raise their voices. And within hours, BCI withdrew its orders. Manan Mishra even apologized. Now, to be noted, Manan Kumar Mishra is not just the chairman of Bar Council of India, he is also the member of Rajya Sabha from the Bharatiya Janata Party. But on August 20, around 200 lawyers gathered around the BCI headquarters in Delhi, demanding one thing: Chairman Manan Kumar Mishra's resignation. The protest was organized by All India Young Advocates India Association and it was also backed by the CJP. Lawyers said this was not just about Nalsar. BCI stayed silent even when the advocates were attacked. Said it failed to deliver on stipends, welfare's chambers. One protester even said that name one thing that the BCI chairman has done for the lawyers. So now the students believe that they opposed peacefully and the CGI agree with them. But the BCI chairman decided to end their careers. So now the lawyers are on street demanding accountability. This is what the week in the Indian law looked like.